Hi everyone, today I'm going to unbox the GFreD from Gundam Cruise. So I believe I don't need to introduce too much of it, but just a quick word is one of the designer for this GCruise is actually one of the major members of the EVA animation. So that's why this GFreD is just like a hybrid of the EVA purple unit and well with so-called merged with Gundam. So let's take on the side. So actually this GFreD unit just looks very similar to the other GCruise unit, other than different color, and also the torso looks pretty much the same, and the head is completely different. You can see from here. You can also see from here. Actually, in the head part consists of two blades that will act like these two blades, just like the funnel cannon. It will came out and slicing people into pieces. And on the side, now you can see the what it just looks like on the hold. And actually, with the pointed ears, it just looks like Anubis. Well, yes, from the look of it. Let's take a look inside. Okay, here's what is inside. I was being told that due to the different colors available, the high-grade units from Gunpla have constraints in matching all those different colors, and there will be a lot of stickers that required. But let's take a look here. Now, it seems to be the blade, and I'm a little surprised looks like purplish metallic, or actually it's a little bit metallic purple and transparent. So you can see quite a different colors here. The blade, the greenish part, the deep purple part, red part, white part, and the regular gray parts here. So now this further the purple part, which doesn't really look that bad from it seems. And here's more the body part, and here is the the blaster. Oh, now it even comes to the orange part. So it's got the orange part, the green part, like a little bit fluorescent green part, and the bluish green part, and a pink part. And I'm a bit surprised that the stickers are comparatively not that what I expected. So you'll be interested to see. Now this is the construction manual. So you can see GFreD, and yes, it just doesn't look like any average Gundam you see. Okay. And here you can see with the pointed ears here, and it is quite a colorful unit, to be frank. And let's take a look inside the construction manual. So the regular parts telling what they have, and the construction manual looks pretty straightforward. And this is what I'm looking for. Now you can see it actually tells what part will be required. For example, you're doing the left arm, they tell you need A, B, D, E, and F. So you can have them all prepared before you continue assembling the unit, which is quite thoughtful. So you just don't need to scrambling to all those parts every single time to find which railings will be needed, and it looks like a pretty straightforward plug-in, just nothing too complicated here. So let's look at the other side. So okay, some part of it is still in color too. Unlike previous, that most of them are on black and whites, which I sort of appreciate, because with more color it's more easier to follow, I reckon. And on the other side, so is what it's completed, and it seems that this unit can handle a lot of different posture, great articulation. Here's the color guide, but I'm just a little bit concerned regarding the actual color that comes out, since I don't really see the actual finished unit before, and from what I see, it seems that the pointed ears, the funnel blades can come out, but if they have a effect part as to showing how it comes out, it will be even more interesting. So that's it. Let's take a look what is done. Hi everyone, today now I'm going to unbox the GQuuuuuux. So this is one, I'll say, after the Turn A Gundam, this is the most un-Gundam-like type of Gundam. And as everybody know, the producer also worked with the EVA animation before. So the structure of the unit, you can see it's slimish and slender. It's just similar to the EVA, but with much more of metallic feel, or you can see the motional parts. And it's interesting how this GQuuuuuux main unit is grabbing a Xeon X. Yeah, that is quite an interesting part. So take a look on the side. Okay, and you can see actually they have a interesting leg structure here, not the regular leg you see. It's just like a sort of empty hook. And okay, it's come with a blaster, which they didn't use most of the time, and it is the blade. And a lot of, you can see the unit can handle a lot of poses. The articulation looks interesting, but I do worry about the color separation part, because it seems that with this unit there's a lot of different stickers that I really wonder how it's going to work. Now you can see there's another special head part which everybody sees in the animation before they unlock the potential of this unit. So okay, on the other side, this is how it is look like when it is done. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. Okay, like beforehand, I say I will just worry about the stickers, and it's pretty seems that's all the stickers that is needed. I just wonder how it can like produce the outlook that was being seen in the animation, but definitely not a lot of stickers compared to other units. Now you can see here, this is the gray body parts, and on the other side the bluish, the light, I would say it's not white but probably light blue, and the yellow parts. Okay, the red parts, and also the blade, which looks like a bit transparent, light fluorescent green. Now also this is sort of like a whitish part, but it's just have a little shade of light blue on them. For me, the same here, and more blue parts. And okay, there's another stickers here. So it definitely is quite a bunch of stickers. I can't say it is a lot or less for the high grade unit, but look at the size of the stickers and how slim they are. You can just imagine how difficult it will be to put it on without tearing or breaking them apart. Okay, here's the construction manual. And at the back, so it shows how articulation, how the posting can be done, and also a coloring guide. Take a look inside. So showing how many parts they have in here, and how you should do for those who had maybe assembling their first Gundam model. Now, okay, this is a part that I like it. I'm looking for. Yes, for each particular part, they tell you which runners or railings you required. So you just need to grab what you need, and you don't need to go through all the railings and runnings all the time for different parts, which is interesting. And yes, this is sort of the latest core fighter, which looks like an arc or Y alphabet. Quite interesting, but yeah, to me it's not even a Gundam. Anyways, so that's it. Let's take a look when they are done.